Hello, grade 9s. We're doing worksheet 6. We're looking at revision of quadrilaterals, the properties that we've done in the lockdown. So you have it's summarized again. Please make sure you know them and you know how to name and classify quadrilaterals. You know their properties and you must be able to use all of that to solve problems. So I'm going to do exercise 1A in worksheet 6 as an example of how we do that. So, given these diagrams they're becoming a bit more complicated, so you have to look very carefully and see what is given and what information you can get from the diagram. So, right, given information. They give you A, B, C, D is a trapezium. The minute you see trapezium, people, what properties does a trapezium have? It has one pair of opposite sides that is parallel. And in the diagram, go and look. There's your trapezium, A, B, C, D. And there is your diagram signal. So this side, A, D parallel to BC. So I've got that and I marked it. So they told you AD parallel to BC. Then they say side AB from there to there is equal in length to side AD, which is from there to there. So I've got two equal sides here. And do you see the triangle? Let's do this triangle in red. So I also have a triangle ABD that has side AB equal to AD. So guys, what diagram signal is that? It's a triangle with two equal sides, which means the angles opposite the equal sides are equal. So I'm going to mark that. So this angle is opposite that side and this angle is opposite that side. So they are equal to each other and I mark them in my diagram. So what else have I got? BD from B to D is equal in length to BC. So BD is this side and BC is that side. You see the markings on the diagram? There's my two equal sides. And this is another triangle. And can you see? It's the same diagram signal as that one. I have two equal sides, which means that the angles opposite the equal sides are equal, which means that this angle is going to be equal to that angle. Right, so let's see if we can calculate the value of the variables in the diagram. So we do the statement, reason, story. My reason. And let's start. Let's start with angle A. Can you see how big angle A is? You've already marked it on the diagram. Angle A must be equal to angle C. And why is that? Because it's an isosceles triangle and angles opposite equal sides are equal. So therefore that one you can just write the answer. We can say A is equal to angle C is equal to 80 degrees. And the reason is angles opposite equal sides. So I know that A is 80, so we put that in there. That is done. So where is B? B is this angle. Can I get B? You can. Look, you have a triangle there. Properties of triangle says I've got two of the three angles. I've got that angle, that one. So I can get this one. What can I use to get that one? I can use the sum of the interior angles that add up to 180. They're supplementary. So let's write a statement. I can say angle B plus A plus 80 degrees must add up to 180 degrees. My reason is sum interior angles of a triangle. Statement and reason. I know what A is. I got A in the previous step. So I know A is also 80. So I can write this as B plus 80 plus 80 is 180. Simplify the left-hand side of your equation. That gives you 160. So I can say B plus 160 equals 180. And I'm going to subtract the 160. I want B alone. So I don't want 160 there. I'm going to subtract 160 on both sides. And I'm going to get plus 60 minus 160 falls away. I'm left with B on this side equal to 180 minus 160, which is just going to give you 20 degrees. So I've got B. B is 20. Solved. So now, let's see C. There's another diagram signal here. I'm going to work with parallel sides. I've got an angle there and an angle there. If I can connect them with a transversal, and I'm going to get this diagram signal. Do you see that? And because the lines are parallel, I know that C will be equal to B. And that one, so I can just answer the question because I already know that B is 20. So I can say angle C equal to angle B, and the reason is alternating angles, and they are equal because the lines are parallel. So, and AD parallel to BC. Right. So there we've got C. C is also 20. So what else can I do now? Now I need D and E. But what kind of triangle do I have there, people? Once again, it's an isosceles triangle. There's my equal side. So if C is 20, I know that C is equal to D. I've marked it. So I can just write the answer. That means that angle D is equal to C is equal to 20 degrees. Reason, angles opposite equal sides. That one is done. So that one is also 20. So the last one, I just need to get that one. Again, I've got a triangle there. And I know that the sum of the interior angles add up to 180. So I can write a statement and I can say E plus 20 plus 20 must give me 180. And I am not going to write all the steps here. I'm just going to get that angle E. I'm going to subtract 40. The 20 plus 20 is 180 minus 40. And that is going to mean that E is 140 degrees. Done and dusted. A, B, C, D, E. And can you see that you used your knowledge of angles, of lines, of triangles, and of quadrilaterals in this diagram? Good luck with exercise, the exercise in worksheet 6, and enjoy geometry.